So hello guys, we'll be starting in a short while. Meanwhile, we'll just confirm if all the participants are present. So Arnav Golab, can you please acknowledge your presence? Arnav and Manav Rupani, Naman Shah.
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Manav is there, Naman is there. Arnav Golab, can you please acknowledge your presence?
Yes, I am there.
Okay. So Arnav is there, Manav is there, Naman is there. Okay, fine. Guys, it's a sincere request for all the participants to please turn on your camera. Okay, so Manav is visible. Arnab is visible. Naman, please turn on your camera. Okay, cool. Okay, so we'll be starting with the finale of Battle Pyramid. So, firstly, congratulations to everyone for making it to the round 3 after clearing round 1, round 2 of Battle Pyramid. Like, you are the top chosen 5. And among you, only one will be crowned the actual winner of the Battle Pyramid. And the rules are simple. I hope everyone has gone through it on the group. So, like, can you just acknowledge if you're clear with the rules that have been stated on the group?
Yeah, clear.
Naman, Manav, it's clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. Okay, so first we'll start with a basic introduction. And Aryan, you can take over.
Okay, so good evening, finalists. I'm Aryan Chetri, the joint PRO of Team Emfinity, and I welcome you all for the finale round of Battle of Pyramid. Before we get started with the event, I would like to applaud the efforts of all the participants who have worked very hard and have overcome all the challenges and obstacles which were thrown towards you. But having said that, there's one last wall that you guys need to break to emerge as champions. And having said that, I hope you guys have read the rules. And in case of any queries, you can contact our technical team member Ananya. So let the finale of Battle Pyramid begin. Yeah, over to you, Ananya.
Ananya, you can just turn on your camera, please. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So, good evening, everyone. I would also like you to welcome to the final round and congratulations on making it here. And now, as you all have said that you are clear with the rules. If you have any doubts, you can ask me right now before the round begins. Okay. So then I think we are good to go. So, all the best to all the participants. I'll share with you the first question. Okay, so this is our first question. All you have to do is find the definite integral of e raised to x by 3 minus e raised to 11 by x upon x dx from 3 to 11. You both have 2 attempts and 8 minutes.
You all have 5 minutes remaining.
Yes, Manav.
Is it 0?
Yes, that is the correct answer. Congratulations, you have solved the first question, so you've earned a point. We'll be moving on to the next question now. Okay, so here we have an algebra question. You have to give me all the possible values of x in the given equation. Yes, Naman.
Only one.
Can you please repeat?
Only one.
That is not correct. You have lost one of your attempts. You still have one more.
You all have 5 minutes remaining.
Yes, Manav.
Is it -1?
That is also incorrect.
You have 3 minutes left.
Yes, Naman.
Both 1 and -1.
Yes, that is correct. So you win a point for this question. Okay, let's move on to the next question. So in this given figure, PQRS is a rectangle and PR is one of its diagonals. Here we have two semicircles XYZ and QML. So it is given that the radius of XYZ is 24 and that of QML is 21. You have to give me the area of the rectangle PQRS. Yes, Arnav.
Is the answer 1690?
That is incorrect. You have one more attempt.
You all have 5 minutes remaining. 3 minutes to go. Last 1 minute.
Guys, you have 2 attempts. You can try.
Your time is up.
Okay, since I did not get an answer for this question, no one gets a point for this question. We'll be moving on to the next question. Okay, so in the given equation, you have to find the value of x.
You all have 5 minutes left.
Yes, Naman.
Is it 5?
Yes, that is the correct answer. Okay, so let's move on to the next question. Before that, Parth, can you tell me the points?
Yeah. So we have Manav at 1 point, Arnav at 0 points, and Naman at 2 points.
Okay, so participants, you can still, change the game. Okay, so here's your next question. In this, it's again another geometry question. You have been given a quarter circle XOY, and it is given that OY and OX are of 10 units. There is another semicircle OMX, and YN is the tangent to the circle, to the semicircle, and what you have to find is the length of MN.
So basically, it's a classic geometry question where you have to just use the concepts that you have learned in geometry and like find out the value of Mn, which is nothing but a tangent along that particular semicircle. So like try to think along that line.
You all have 5 minutes left.
So guys, you have less than 5 minutes left, and just remember you have two attempts. So like, don't shy of making an attempt. At least make an attempt to that particular question. And like, as I talked about, that this question is about geometry. You can think along the lines that those semicircle is there. It has a radius which has something to do with the tangent, which is making a 90-degree angle to it. So that you can think along those lines and like try to compute them in value as well.
Okay, Naman. What is your answer?
Is it 2 units?
Yes, that is the correct answer. Okay, so the point goes to Naman. We'll move on to the next question. Okay, for this question, you have to solve for the values of x and you have to find the sum of squares of all the values of x. Now, this type of question can be easily done by rationalizing them. So, try.
Right, like it might look like a bit like obnoxious at first, like it has a root under of which it has a root which are not like irrational terms. But you should like think along the terms like how you can eliminate that particular root and rationalize in order to compute with the RHS.
You all have 5 minutes to go.
Guys, like since we talked about rationalization, you can just have a quick look. Like there is under root everywhere. So the best technique would be that if you're able to break that under root, so like you can make a substitution in that sort of, so that you can break that under root and like you can observe the similarity between left and right terms in the LHS. Like if you have like a bit of idea about how it works. Okay, we have our attempt. Great, great.
Yes, Manav.
So sum of squares, right? So is it 8?
Yes, that is the correct answer. Okay, so this point goes to Manav. Now I'll share the next question. Okay, for this question, we have been given a circle where PQ and RS are parallel to each other. PQ is 12 and RS is 6 units, and PS and QR are both 5 units. If R is the radius of this circle, you have to find the value of 64 R square. Now, for this question, the approach can be drawing perpendiculars from the center of the circle and trying with Pythagoras theorem.
Is it 1600?
That is not correct. Please answer when I ask you to.
Sorry, I raised my hand, but I didn't get any acknowledgement. Sorry.
Yeah, I'll ask you to unmute.
You all have 5 minutes to go.
Yes, Naman.
Is it 2425?
Yes, that is the correct answer. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. Okay. For this question, you have to find the indefinite integral of 12 raised to x by 16 raised to x plus 9 raised to x. Now, this can be done by simple substitution and basic integration formula. This is the last question for this round.
You all have 5 minutes remaining.
Yes, Manav.
Yeah, I got a very complicated answer. Tan inverse of 4 upon 3 raised to x upon log 4 by 3.
That is the correct answer. Okay, so that brings us to the end of this round. Rishabh, please take over.
Sure, sure. So, guys, it was a great contest, and now we'll be just revealing the scores so that everyone knows where they stand. Yeah, so please reveal the scores.
Yeah, so we have Mana lead at 3 points, Arnav at 0 points, and Naman at 4 points.
Oh, great, great. So, like, we clearly have a winner. So, Naman, first of all, congratulations for winning the finale of Battle Pyramid. So, it's really great. And apart from that, everyone who has worked hard and nothing to feel bad. Yeah, so congratulations. I already started in the chat box as well. And so, yeah, we hope that you always join us in our upcoming events as well. It was great fun. And yeah, over to you, Aryan.
Yeah. So congratulations, Naman, for winning the final battle. You're officially the winner of the Battle Pyramid event. So I would like to also congratulate other participants as well for giving their best and for never taking their feet off the pedestal. And I would like to thank all of you for participating in this event. You know, by taking time out from a busy schedule. It was really great having you guys over here, and I hope that you had a really great time because we did. And it was a really great competition. And Naman, you will be soon contacted by our team regarding a prize. So we hope to see you guys again in our next event, which will be very soon. And on this note, I would like to conclude the Battle Pyramid event. Thank you.
And like, I guess it was a very close way, and towards the end, like someone was really approaching him. I don't remember the name. Was it Manav, I suppose?
Yeah, it was really close fight.
Yeah, so like had there been a question, like Naman would have got a battle for his money, I would say at the end. But nonetheless, Manav, it was great. Like at the end, you just started showing like how you could come back. So yeah, Naman really had that nail biting moment at the end, I suppose. Okay, great. So with that, we would like to conclude the finale of Battle Pyramid, and it was a great experience hosting you all with round 1, round 2. Like you just made it through so swiftly and easily, and finally in the finals of Battle Pyramid. So congratulations to everyone, including the participants and the team, for successfully organizing it. And we hope to see everyone in the upcoming event.